Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome to Life of Indian Mom in Singapore. So today I will be share the recipe of my most favorite mithai or sweet dish called Mavi ki kachori. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, here I have taken around 200 gram mawa or khova without sugar. It's easily available in any Indian store. Some saffron threads dipped in water and 1 tablespoon ghee or clarified butter. Turn on the gas and put a wide pan. Then I added 1 tablespoon ghee. After 20 to 30 seconds, I added khova or mawa. Keep the flame on low to medium. Stir occasionally for a minute. Here it's a key ingredients for mawa. Take 7 to 8 normal elaichi or cardamom, peel off the skin and grind it in a powder consistency, and 1 big cardamom, peel off the skin and take out the grains or seeds. Keep in this way only. This is the secret ingredients and believe me, it enhances the aroma and taste of the kachoris. Meanwhile, don't forget to check the mawa, stir it well, and after a minute add our elaichi or cardamom powder and big cardamom seeds in the mawa. Turn off the gas and keep aside. When it's cooled down completely, we will add sugar in it. Here I am preparing sugar syrup. So for that I have taken around 200 grams or 1 cup sugar, and then I will add half cup or 100 ml water in it. Turn on the gas and keep the pan on low to medium for around 2 to 3 minutes and stir occasionally. Coming up here for dough preparation for our kachoris. So here I have taken around 1 cup or 200 grams of all-purpose flour. Swept it well and then I added 1 tablespoon ghee and pinch of cardamom powder. Mix it well with hands and then make a dough. By adding small amount of water at a time, we need to make slightly hard dough. So just remember not to add more water. Slightly hard dough is good for making kachoris. Meanwhile, check our sugar syrup too. I grew up eating these mawa kachoris in my childhood. Yes, I'm from Jodhpur, Rajasthan, and it's one of the best Rajasthani sweet dish. You can get these kachoris in most of the sweet shops, and especially our Jodhpuri kachoris are very delicious. Tourists and outsiders especially come to eat these sweet kachoris. So remembering that kachoris, I tried to make at home today and relish the memories. And here talking with you all, I knit the dough. Now I will cover it and keep aside for half an hour. After approximately 2 minutes, we will add saffron water in it and pinch of powder cardamom and switch off the flame. We need normal consistency of sugar syrup, nor sticky, neither too watery, just medium. And here our sugar syrup is ready. As our khova mixture completely cooled down at room temperature, now we will add around 2 tablespoons sugar in the mixture of mawa or khova and mix properly. You can add some dry fruits too in the mixture. Here our dough has been resting since half an hour. Now I will be knead it 1 or 2 times again and then we'll make small balls from the dough. I have made around 8 small balls or peda from the dough. Now gently roll it to make round shaped small puris. This way we will make small puris. Here I rolled on 8 or 9 approximately all the puris and keep aside. Now I have collected the mawa or khova filling in a plate. Now around 1 teaspoon mixture will be filled in the round shape puri. Cover it properly and gently with your hands and give the shape of small kachoris. Make it properly one by one and keep aside. Don't press it hard, otherwise the mixture will be come out, and don't over add the filling too. Gently press and give a shape of kachoris. And here our mawa filled kachoris are ready to fry. It's time to fry these kachoris. So I have taken here a small karahai, added ghee for fry. Now you can replace it with oil too, or you can use half oil or half ghee too, but the taste will be better in ghee. Here we need to fry these kachoris in a low to medium flame. Oil or ghee should not be very high in temperature, otherwise kachori might be burned. It will take quite long process to fry, but that's the only correct way to fry good kachoris, and final result would be better. Fry from both the top and bottom until golden brown in color, and then take out. Here our all mawa filled kachoris are ready. Let it be cool at room temperature. And for easy use, I have collected the sugar syrup in a jar. Here is a tip: if you want to use these kachoris later, you can separately put these kachoris in an airtight container and put them in fridge. And same the sugar syrup also, with closed lid jar separately keep it in fridge. It will be remain same up to 5 to 6 days. Now when you want to serve in this way. Make a small hole in the kachori and pour the sugar syrup gently, and you can decorate it with chopped dry fruits too. On top I am putting silver paper on it, and see our delicious mawe ki kachori are ready to serve. Diwali is about to come and homemade mithai is always special. So make this mawa ki kachori at home and enjoy with your family. I'm sure everyone will be like it. Believe me, it's really yummy. Do try these kachoris at home and let me know. So ending this video now, I hope you liked the video, and do like, share and subscribe my channel if you haven't. Will be see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.